Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do the air filter on this brand spanky new HRV. Took the liberty of doing the hard part. Here you go, press this down, and sort of wiggle and sort of pull up and outward towards you, because those little clips over there have little tabs right here at the end of my middle finger. Let's see, right there. Those just lock into place. If you can see, can you see it? They sort of lock into place. You see that little gap right there? There you go. And that's it. So this thing's brand new, so we don't need to replace it. I'll put the link in the description, but pretty easy. So make sure it goes back as if we were never here. So that's what we want. We want to make sure we were never here. All right. So let's put this guy back. Can we do it in real time? There you go. Make sure. There you go. Nice and snug. Pop that in. Pop that in. And ta-da. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.